836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in Widnes. The system's a combination boiler, sealed system, only 7 radiators in the house, quite a small system, but the boiler is actually cycling and cutting out, and the radiators, they're just not getting hot, they're quite cold in places. So we've gone in through the flow and return. We actually went in through the pump housing at first, so we've flushed the boiler separately, and now we're into the flow and return pipes to the system. We're getting an awful lot of sludge out of the system. We've got your water like engine oil, we've got the magnet hooked up there, and we've got the best Camco chemicals going through the system right now. Just a little point to make on the actual boiler itself. The pump is a little bit sluggish, it's turning but it's not quite as free as I'd like it to be, and I actually personally think there's a little problem with the automatic air vent as well. It might sort itself out later when we repressurise it, but it wasn't really, it wasn't bleeding as I would have liked it to when we had the pipes in through the pump housing. So I just want to make a note of that. If you don't know what power flushing is, it's just a means of flushing through all your central heating system with your pipes, your radiators, your boiler, getting all the sludge and rust out of the system as much as we can, and really that's what it's all about. Like I say, you've just seen the water there. I've likened it to engine oil, and that's how I liken a power flush anyway. If you never change your oil in your car, eventually it's going to start breaking down. It's going to start working not too well, and things like that. The same as in with central heating, if all this sludge and rust is running through your system, eventually it's going to destroy valves, block diverter valves up, split diaphragms. It's going to cause your pump to grind to a halt eventually. So really that's what power flushing is all about. Price wise, we're up to 50% cheaper than British Gas or Home Serve for the power flush. It's all certificated. You get a certificate of the pH and the TDS levels, so just in case you've got a British Gas contract or Home Serve contract or any other utility company contract, you will get a certificate just to prove to them that it's been done and it's been done correctly. Okay, so we cover all the northwest. We're in Widnes today. We're based in Stockport. We go 60-70 mile from there, go down to Stafford also. So we're just going to get on with the job now, and we'll get back to you later. Okay, thanks. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. Just back to this job in Widnes. We're going to take a look at the magnet now. We'll just put it on bypass. So let's just see what we're getting out of the system. Okay, wow. That is a really sludgy system. That's all metal from the radiators, from the pipe work, etc. That's what clogs your radiators up, the pipe work, destroys pumps, etc. And this is only a small system, so it's quite surprising the amount of sludge and rust particles that have come out of this system. So that's what power flushing is all about. It's all about getting all that out of the system. That's really heavy. So that's a lot of corrosion that's been going on within this system. Okay, so that's what power flushing is all about. It's all about removing all that metal and corrosion out of the system. Okay, the job's going okay. We've got a good flow around the system, so we'll just get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. Okay. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. We've actually got a thermal camera on this radiator here. We've got some warm water in the system, and this is just to confirm where we've still got to work on the radiator, parts of the radiator. That bit there is cold, so we're going to work on that bit, concentrate on that area, and these areas here, 78.6, the water's only warm, remember, going through the machine at the minute, but it just gives us a better idea than actually just feeling the radiators with our hands. Okay, we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. We're just about to add the inhibitor. What we're going to do is add it through the machine, get it in through all the nooks and crannies, and then just actually trap it in the actual radiator circuit. Okay. a really good inhibitor, Sentinel X100 inhibitor. Should be added once a year on an open beta system, every 2 years on a sealed system. Okay, thanks. Hi Barry, here's Pro-powerflushing, just back to this job in Widnes. We've actually done the power flush now. We've flushed through the boiler, through the pump housing, and we've flushed through the actual system, through the flow and return pipes there. But we've still got a few issues going on with this, so we're doing a little bit extra on this job today. We've took one of the valves off on the return back to the boiler, and we're going to give that a really good clean. I honestly think we've got a few issues with this part of the boiler here. The automatic air vent's a bit dodgy, the pump's a little bit slow running, so there's something going on here. Ideally I'd just like to replace all that part there, but let's do what we got to do for now and just you know, see if it solves the problem. Okay, thanks. Okay Barry, here's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, so what we've done, we've actually soaked this part in some FX2 and some hot water, so we're going to put it all back on the boiler, this part of the boiler, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Hi Barry, here's Pro-powerflushing. That's this power flush done now. This radiator just wasn't getting warm before. It's all gone okay. That part we cleaned in the boiler, we cleaned that, and that made a really big difference. We just had to get a little bit into the boiler, take it apart, and you know, that's really made it all work really well. Okay, so if you need any power flushing done, this is actually in Widnes today. We cover all the northwest. Just give me a call. Telephone number 07836 353 985. Just a quick update on the prices. We're up to 50% cheaper than British Gas and Home Serve. We do the job properly. We actually do the job properly. If we, you know, if there's any faults like pumps and things, we actually find them. Unlike some utility companies, sometimes they just don't find these other little faults. You know, we always find these little faults, if you've got any faults, that is. So all I'm saying is the job is actually done 100% properly. It's certificated, best chemicals, best inhibitors, etc. So if you want a really good power flush and you want to save yourself some money, just give me a call. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.